It's the same process all the time. Same process. Give it a bit of a sprinkle. Fill in the low spots. I put out a video every 3 days. Subscribe to my channel and you'll keep up with me doing bathrooms. It's the way to learn. You look at different scenarios, different bathrooms, different... It's the same principle all the time. But you can't just learn in 5 minutes. It's going to turn out to be a very, very nice bathroom. Very, very nice. But yeah, it's I've never been able to pick up anything the first go, but if you keep watching, you'll start to get the hang of it. See that? I like it a lot. That's lovely. Beautiful. But it does take a little bit of practice. But this is why I'm showing everyone this is the correct way to tile. I'm sort of getting it's all getting a little bit cramped now, so I'm going to have to move stuff. I'll come back to you shortly.